welcome back to another episode of my fall series. Today we are going to be cleaning my apartment and decorating it for fall. If you guys are new here and you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up and be sure to subscribe. I would love to have you guys. We're going to do a bunch of fall videos. I don't have too much to decorate with. I have a decent amount, but for now, we're just gonna get the summer stuff out, get in a good clean, and put out the fall stuff that I do have. Stay tuned also for like some cook with me videos, and we're gonna go fall shopping too. I already bought some new things which I will show you guys along the way, but anyways, let's get into it. Alright you guys, so today we're back in the car again, but we're gonna have some fun because, well, after I go to the doctor, because that's not always fun, but I just have to get like a checkup. But after that, we're gonna go to Michael's because I heard they have like an insanely pretty Halloween collection there right now that like fits the aesthetic of my apartment perfectly. It's like all pastels and stuff, so it's right up my alley, so we have to go there. I hope everything's not picked over. And then first we're gonna get coffee, obviously. Yeah, we're just gonna do some Halloween things. Well guys, what a good surprise. They had the pumpkin spice latte. So, I'm feeling fall already for our getting ready for the Halloween vlogs. That was perfect. I didn't even know that they had pumpkin spice lattes yet, but it's really good. I miss that taste. I'm not like a huge fan, but they are good, so like why not be festive today since we're fall shopping and everything. I did get it without whipped cream. Alright guys, let's see if Michael's disappoints or not. Was a fail. They literally only had like a few things, and you can tell that all of the shelves are ready to be stocked for fall, but not quite yet. I did go to two stores. I went to Michael's and Home Goods. Home Goods, like I said, was a fail, but Michael's had the cutest stuff in the entire world, you guys. Their new pastel collection was made for me. I'm gonna show you a sneak peek. These are like the items. I'm obsessed. It's like if I made a Halloween line, these would be the things that I need. First things first, I just got off work actually, so we're gonna make some coffee so I have some energy. And this really cute black cat coffee mug that you guys saw in the intro. I love this. This is from Meijer actually. Got this pumpkin spice creamer from Meijer as well. And we're also gonna do some cinnamon. Can we just take a moment? Look at that foot. Weirdo. Before we get into decorating, we are gonna clean. So let's clean up the house. It's kind of a mess right now. So I just got back from Chicago to film a Filipino video, which you guys will see probably after this, but the house needs to be cleaned. We're gonna vacuum. minus this. This is a Christmas item. I don't know why that's there, but I have all of these things that need to go out into my house. So including, I have some new things. This is one of them. It's this gorgeous, it says love you to death, and it has like a little spider and it's pink. I got this like you just saw from Michael's. It's so cute. I also got this stunning pumpkin from that collection at Michael's. It's literally the cutest collection ever. And then I also got this crow with the crown. So we have to find places to put all of these things, which you guys are gonna help me do. And then we also have my favorite cabinet in the whole house, which this is all filled with fall Bath and Body Works stuff. So I have like soaps and everything. So you guys are gonna help me pick out where to put all of this. First, I'm gonna start by swapping out things like this. Like this is way too summery. This has to go. So we're gonna swap this wallflower out. I'm gonna use this super cute black cat wallflower that I got at Bath and Body Works. I'm obsessed with it. For those of you guys that don't know and you didn't see my haul, I do have a black cat, so like this was so necessary. And then we'll put leaves in there. Actually, I think I'm gonna swap this out because this one's too cute to not be like seen in the kitchen. So we're gonna put that right here. Swap out things like this watermelon soap. I'm gonna go around and take all the summery things and just put them right here. This banana flower soap, that has to go. Fresh orange, that can go. So can this watermelon lemonade candle that was in my bedroom. I also have this peach sugar cone. This is summery and spring. So this will just go back into there until the next season. I still have enough left, so I'm not gonna throw it out, obviously, but it's just time to go. It's September 1st, everyone. So as of right now, I need a soap for the bathroom and a soap for the kitchen. Then I also need a candle for downstairs by my front door, the living room. We're not gonna do my bedroom yet because that's a mess. That's like a whole nother thing because I have more decorations that I wanna get for my bedroom actually. But then I also need a candle for the dining room table and my office. So let's pick those out. So I wanna save these two soaps, this Ghoul Friend and the Perfect Pumpkin for more of October because those are very Halloweenish. So right now I definitely wanna use this bright citrus sunflower soap that can go in the kitchen. And then let's see what else we have in here. I'm gonna use this coconut pumpkin latte for the bathroom. And as for the fall candles, I'm going to do, you guys, this is like an obsession. It's not okay. Okay, so we'll do a vanilla chai latte. This can go in my beauty room because it's pink. We'll do maple pancakes for the living room. And then also this white caramel cold brew for the coffee table. This candle I've already been burning, so we're actually just gonna keep this. This is Delicious Apple from Michael's that can just go on this cute little coffee table that I have by my front door. hope you guys enjoyed this vlog style decorate and clean with me. Give it a thumbs up if you did, and I love you guys, and I'll talk to you soon.